credit unions are all about people helping people. It sounds trite when we constantly say, not for profit, not for charity, but for service. But it really is. It's about people coming together, helping an individual that needs help when they can't get help anywhere else. It's the foundation of why credit unions exist, and I truly believe that it's why credit unions are still so profitable now. This building is the historic birthplace of the credit union movement in the country. The waiting hall is where people came and waited to speak with the credit union manager. And the first floor of the museum is the historic space preserved as it was in 1909. The second floor of the museum starts with the Estes Park Convention in 1934, and that space is dedicated to showing how the credit union movement moved from Manchester, New Hampshire, in very humble beginnings across the country to now more than 100 million members nationwide. We a lot of times will find that the first credit unions in the country were formed in parishes. They were formed with, trade organizations. They weren't part of the government because these people that couldn't get loans in the commercial banks really felt that they needed to be able to trust where their money was going, who was giving them the loans, how they were transacting their business. So there was really sort of a movement to keep it very much part of the community. And I think credit unions to this day still are part of their communities for that very reason. Anybody can belong to a credit union. There are so many credit unions that are available to people that live in a specific state or work in a particular industry. A lot of people are scared away by the term credit union. They think that they have to belong to a union or it has something to do with getting credit. But it really is just a group of people that all have a like cause that get together and want to help the little guy that needs some help. So I encourage every millennial to seek out a credit union that meets their needs. There's one for everybody.